Emerson has been transitioned to more of a global pure-play automation solutions company. Not only manufacturing things like valves, but also the software that goes behind it. What we do within my organization is supporting our enterprise supply chain group. They're focused on, obviously, not only procurement, but also logistics, moving product from our suppliers into our facilities, as well as from our facilities to our customers. Logistics is an area where we've really focused on controlling our cost over the years. What are we spending? Who are we spending it with? What are our emissions looking like from a transportation perspective? And then, of course, where can we find ways to reduce emissions through our data? Some of the problems we're trying to address with Fusion Analytics, with SCM and ERP is really the data migration process. Our users are used to, in the past, getting a spreadsheet of all the data and trying to build that up to tell a story. Now they don't need to build it up. They can start at the summary level, see the story, and dive into the exceptions where it makes sense. What we started to find is that we weren't really giving the transportation freight to the correct transportation providers. We put this program in place using Oracle Transportation Management as the backbone to control, make sure we select the right carrier, mode, and service level to move the product at that given time. And that really allowed us to then control our costs, make sure the right carriers are getting the right freight. With the use of Oracle Transportation Management, we've had the added visibility to our freight in transit, as well as our spend, and being able to track that down to an individual accessorial level. We've been able to mitigate supply chain disruptions within a quick time frame. Hurricanes, floods, any supply chain disruption, Oracle Transportation Management has really given us the ability to react and still deliver our products on time. Oracle Analytics has given us the ability to today measure our emissions. We know where the emissions is occurring and how we can maybe reduce the emissions. In the future, we're looking forward to moving that process upstream, though, to the execution standpoint within Oracle Transportation Management, to actually pick the lower emissions mode or carrier at time of execution versus waiting to report on it at the end of the process. Some of the benefits of bringing in our Oracle Transportation Management data into our Fusion Analytics warehouse environment is being able to simplify our overall environment. Really helped us with the customer service standpoint, improving our delivery and on-time delivery to our customers.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.